guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Juvy. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial. And since it's holiday season today, kaliwat kanan na yung Christmas party. And today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup look that you can use on your Christmas party. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already cleansed my face and the moisturize ko na din. And the next thing that I'll do is to exfoliate or scrub my lips using this strawberry, all natural strawberry lash lip scrub from Omenez Beauty. So this is what it looks like. Kuha lang ako ng small portion. So, and then I'll scrub it directly on my lips. Kasi dry lips ako kaya importante nagsiscrub ako ng lips ko. And after I scrub my lips, stay ko lang siya dyan ng mga ilang minutes and then I'm gonna wipe it off with wet tissue. And then I'm gonna moisturize my lips with this Mango Butter Lip Care Cream, and this is from the Face Shop. And to prep my face, I'm gonna be using this Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shape Balm. I already posted my thoughts on this on my Instagram, so you can check it out so you can read it. So ito siya. I use this as a face primer. I'm just going to get a small amount of it, like this, and then put it on top of my face, especially on my T-zone. I'm gonna spread it all over my neck. And the foundation that I'm going to be using today is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I am in the shade 106. Give it a good shake, and then I'm just going to put it at the back of my hand. Like this, and then with my teardrop sponge. Isayin ko lang siya nitong the Green Tea Chalk Chalk from Tony Moody. That, and then apply ko lang on my face. And then I'm gonna be using this Maybelline New York concealer. This is the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. I am in the shade Sand. 20 Sand. I'm going to put it under my eye. I'm also going to use this as highlighter on my face. Like so. Here in the Cupid's bow and on my chin. I'm just going to blend it again with the same teardrop blender. Afterwards, I'm going to be setting up everything with my NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. This is in translucent. With the same sponge, I'm gonna set up everything. I'm just going to give it a little bit of press para lang kumapit yung powder. I don't know, I do it like that. Especially dun sa mga area na nilagyan ko ng creams and concealer. While setting up my powder or my face with powder, I'm gonna be lining my eyebrows using my Tony Moly Auto Eyebrow Easy Touch pencil. This is in the shade Black. So it's dual-ended. One is the eyebrow and one is the brush. A spoolie brush like this. And then I'm just going to line my eyebrows like I would normally do. Just brush some powder on my eyebrows and then I'm gonna line it like so. My eyebrows are done, and then next is I'm gonna be swiping off all the powder on my face, like so. And then let's jump into the fun part. It's gonna be coloring or putting eyeshadow on my eyelids, and in this makeup tutorial I'm going to be using this Juvy Nude Spectrum eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. And so first I'm going to be applying brown shade on my crease. So this one, this will be my base color. Going to apply it all over my lid, and I'm kind of slowly building up the color like so. And next is I'm going to be applying the darker brown, this one, on the outer corner of my eyes. The same eyeshadow color, this one, I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash. Just make sure it's connecting the color doon sa taas, dito sa lid. Just connect the two like this. Just my finger, I'm gonna be applying this shade. Mag-glitter na to. Here sa outer corner. Sa bandang gitna, pero half lang. Then with a smaller brush, use this color like here. And then apply it on the teardrop. And I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner, and this is from EB Advanced Eye Defined Waterproof Matic Eyeliner. I'm going to be lining my eyes dito. on my eyeliner, on top of my eyelid. Off-cam ko na siya nagawa kasi medyo nahihirapan ako. Wala na pala kasi akong liquid eyeliner. So what I did is I just used my mascara. This is my Rimmel London Volume Colorist Mascara. And a brush to apply my eyeliner. Medyo hindi pantay kasi nahihirapan ako pero okay lang yan, hindi naman masyadong halata. And then, next is of course, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes using my eyelash curler. I got this from Tony Moly. So, let's just curl my eyelashes. Like this. And what I do is, I count like 1 to 10. Like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I lift the curler a little bit like this. Para mas mag-curl siya pa itaas. And then, like that. See? Of course, apply the same mascara on my eyelash. Konti lang kasi maglalagay naman ng false eyelashes. To apply my false eyelashes, I'm going to be using this classical eyelash. This is from Taiwan. I got this from Hair Asia. Done with the eye makeup. Easy, right? So the next is to put powder on my face like this, just to blend some fallout if there is any. Just a little bit of powder to remove the shine and oiliness in the face. And then moving forward with my favorite part, it is to contour my face. So I'm gonna be sinisipan ako sa aircon kasi malamig. Okay, I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics contour and blush too. I'm going to use this to contour my nose and my face. So I'm gonna be using this light brown right here to contour my nose. I'm going to use this brush and contour the sides of my nose like so. Let's create an illusion of a taller nose because I don't have that. And then next, I'm going to be contouring my face using the same palette. And this time, I'm going to mix this darker brown and the light brown. And then swipe it here on the side of my face. Like this. Using the white shade here to highlight the highest point on my face. So, blush on my face, hairline, yung peachy color here. Blush lang tayo ng konti. And last but not the least, lips. I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London lip liner. This is in the shade 105 under my spell. Lipstick that I'm going to be using is from Lips Diva in the shade Dangerous Woman. And this is the finished look, sweeties. Very easy, right? This is my holiday glam makeup tutorial. It's very simple, wearable, and easy to do. If you would like to recreate this look, I would love to see it. Please tag me on my Instagram, Makeup by Omenez. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave any comment down below, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet already, and see you in the next video. Bye! Happy holiday!